Hey guys, well, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this eye look for you guys using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. This palette is amazing. I've had it for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I can't remember, but the colors in here are so amazing. And the shades that I will be using today is going to be Inspire, HOE, BBDC, and the Supreme. So I will be showing you guys how I blend those out onto my eye look. And I also didn't put lashes on because you probably will be able to tell in the tutorial I have had or been suffering from like this dry patch on my left eye. It's barely going away, so it's been looking a little crusty when I wear eyeshadows. I try to remove my makeup as soon as I get home from running errands or doing anything, and putting like a really good moisturizer on it. But you guys know I love makeup, so when I don't have eyeshadow or eyelashes on, my eyes look super tiny.